Bismillah. Good morning, class. So at this point we're looking at Bodmas fractions. We are on book B, worksheet 2, odd numbers. Is that correct? Huh? Yes. Book B, worksheet 2, odd numbers. That's book B, worksheet 1. Whoever's phone is that, please put it off. Right, so here we go. So what must be done first? The division. So it's 10 divided by 3 minus 2 over 3. What do you notice at this point? The denominators are same. So do I need to find an LCM there? No, because the 3 is your LCM. Not so. So what's 10 minus 2? 8. So it's going to be 8 over 3. You all okay with this? Right, let's carry on. Right. Did I do that with it? Sorry about that. I need to check something. Right, so let's go to the next one. What needs to be done first here? Division. So that is going to be written as 4 over 9. 4 over 9. Alright. But this I'll change to improper. So you times and add. So it's going to be 7 over 3. Are the denominators the same? No. So I need to find an LCM. When do I find an LCM? Only when you're adding something. Okay. So can 3 go into 9? Yes, so 9 is your LCM, not so? So 3 times what is 9? 3 times 3. 9 times what is 9? So 3 times 7 is 21 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 21 minus 4 is 17 over. Or it can be written as 2 and that's 18. No, it's 1. 2. No, 1 and 8 over 9. No? Yes. So I think you have 27 my idea. Right, so it would have been 3. Number 5. Sorry? Yes? Smells right? Sorry. Right. So what needs to be done first? Multiplication, so it's 2 minus. What's your LCM? No, not LCM. But we can multiply this here. Anything that can cancel it? So 3 times 1 is 3 over 2. That's over 1. What's your LCM here? 2. So let's multiply this by 2. Let's multiply this by. That's going to give you 4 minus 3. What's 4 minus 3? You all look over that? Any confusion? No? Let's do number 7. What needs to be done first? Multiplication. But before the multiplication, something else needs to be done. Change it to improper fractions. Okay, otherwise you can't multiply them. So it's going to be 6 minus 2 times 7 over 4. So what must be done now? The multiplication. Not so. So that's 2 over 1. Is there anything that can cancel here? 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. So it's 6 minus 1 over 2. And 6 minus half is 5.5. Or 11 over 2. Yes? 7 over 2. Okay? There's a mistake there. I made a mistake, so 6 minus, I didn't say 7. So it's 7 over 2. So that's 3.5, so it will be 2.5. Okay. But let's say we didn't know that, so this whole that should be over 1. What's my LCM here? 2. So I multiply by 2, 2, multiplies by. So 6 times 2 is 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5 over 2. Or 2.5. Okay. Let's look at number 9. Number 9. What needs to be done first? Division. So it's 4 plus a third. Change that to multiplication, tumble and time. So it's 4 over 3. Not so. So now we say, okay, the multiplication first. Is there any number that can cancel each other out there? No. So 4 times 1 is 4 over 9. So naturally this is over 1, not so. What's my LCM here? 9. So that must be multiplied by 9. 4 times 9 is 36 plus. 9 times what is 9? 1. And what is 36 plus 4? 40 over 9. Okay? For 36 is going to give you 4 and 4 over 9. The next one? What needs to be done first here? Division, yes, but you're going to first change to improper fraction, not so. So that's going to be our first step we always do. We're always going to convert our mixed fractions to improper fractions. Okay? So that's going to give you 5 plus. It's going to give you 3 over 2 divided by a third. But then I can change that to multiplication and a tumble and times. Remember, we can only swap that around if it's a fraction. If it's either an improper fraction or a fraction. Okay? If it's a mixed fraction, we have to convert it first to improper. Okay? So if we're swapping that around, it becomes multiplication 3 over 1. Right, so this becomes 5 plus. What's 3 times 3? 9 over 2. But naturally this over 1, not so. What's my LCM? 2. So I times it by 2. Times it by 2 times 5 is 10 plus 9. What's 10 plus 9? 19. Okay. You all okay with that? Any confusion? Who got the sum wrong? Where did you go wrong, Michael? Read your first line. You got 5 plus 3 over 2. Yes?
5 plus 1 half.
You converted it back. 1 half, yes, and then?
Times.
So you multiply this? Huh? So what did you get? 2 and 1 half. Sorry?
1 half times 12.
Half. 1 half times? Sorry?
12.
What?
12
12
over 12.
over 12. Yes? How you get 12 over 12? But must we find an LCM if we multiplying here? When do we find LCM? And then subtracting. So make a note there. You only find LCM when you're adding and subtracting. Okay. So I know some people, what they do is, they find an LCM
Apologies
there.
for the interruption. Mrs.
No?
Boer, can you please
Yesterday I
report to the
saw
office?
quite a few
Mrs.
people
Boer,
trying to
please
find an
report to the
LCM
office.
there. But according to Bodmas, you must do multiplication first. Okay. Yes, Michael, your hand is up. Yes? Sorry? You got the question? You got it wrong, okay? So where did you go wrong? What did you write? Read your first line.
So I see 5 minus 3.
There's it no minus here. Where you get the minus?
Oh, choose 5 plus
5 plus yes?
2
Yes.
is 1.
Times?
1.
Yes, which is correct.
5 plus 3.
So you didn't write the 5 here.
5 plus 3 is
5 plus?
3.
Don't tell me what you did. Tell me what you wrote.
Yes, sir.
You wrote 5 plus 3 is? Equals 8. Who taught you to do stuff like this? Did I ever show you to break up families? You that kind of girl what to break up families? No. You keep the family together. No? So you don't break the stuff up. You keep them all together. Okay? I know some of you in your primary school you want to do that part and you write it out like you don't do that. Okay? You're going to lose a mark every time you do that, people. You guys understand? So don't break it up. You understand, Michael, where you're going wrong? Okay? Never do that. Anybody else? Yes? This here? No, you don't. You don't even have to write this 2 times 1 is 2 times. You don't have to write this. But why do I write it? So that people later on watching the video or learners among you don't understand where am I getting 10 and 9 from. That's why I write it in here. Okay? You won't lose a mark if you leave that up. Anybody else? You all okay? Let's go to number, I'm going to take the sum off here. So you can get some space. Alright, so what must be done first here? Multiplication. Okay, so that's over 1. So it's 5 minus, that's going to be done first. Is there anything that can cancel here? Sorry? No. What's 3 times 3? 9 over 5. But that's naturally over 1, not so? So I say 5 going to 5 once, 5 going to 5. You all agree with that? No! How can you say yes? Can we cancel across the negative sign? No. Don't just say yes. Think about it. Right. So what are we supposed to find here? LCM. So I'll multiply this by 5. Multiply this by 1. So that's going to give us 25 minus 9. What's 25 minus 9? 16 over 5. Or 3 and 5. Okay. Let's go to number 15. What needs to be done first? Change to improper fraction, yes. So it's going to be 4 over 1 minus. We multiply and add. So it's going to give you 5 over 3 times multiply and add. 11 over 5. So what must be done first now? Multiplication. But what do we do first? We simplify before we multiply. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 5. So 1 times 11 is 11 over 3. What's your LCM here? 3. So I must multiply that by 3. This by 1. Okay, so there's going to be 12 minus 11. What's 12 minus 11? 1. Alright? You all agree with that? Yes. Right. Let's carry on with our lives. Number 17. Alright, number 17. What needs to be done first? Sorry? Multiplication. So anything can cancel, simplify here? No, so it's 1 over 10. What's my LCM here? 10. You all agree with that? Who doesn't know how we got 10? Okay, so 5 multiplied by what is 10? 2. 10 multiplied by what is 10? So if 2 times 2 is 4 minus. What's 4 minus 1? Okay, all okay with that? Alright. Number 19. What needs to be done first? Multiplication must be done first. So it's 1 over 3 plus. Anything you can cancel here? No. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 5 is? What's your LCM here? 30. So 3 times what is 30? 10. 10 times what is 30? So 1 times 10 is 10 plus 1 times 3 is? 10 plus 3 is? 13. Okay, any confusion here? No? Number 21. What must be done first? First convert to improper fractions is going to be 11 over 5 minus 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. So what can be done now? Multiplication. Is there anything that can cancel then? Simplify. Yes, 3 going to 3 ones, 3 going to 3 ones. That gives you 2 over. Do I need to find an LCM? No, it's already sorted. So 11 minus 2 is 9 over 5. All okay with that? Number 23. What needs to be done first? Convert to improper. You see the same procedure happening all the time. So it's 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. Okay? Times, that's 3 and 1 is 4. So what must be done first? Multiplication. Can you see that? 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 4. Anything else cancel? 11 times 1 is 11 over. What's your LCM here? 6. You times this by? Times by 2. Okay. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 22, which is 23 over 6. Okay. Any confusion here? No. 25. What needs to be done first? Change to improper fraction, not so. So you multiply and add, multiply and add, multiply and add. Before I change that division to multiplication, that's what I do first. Okay? So that's going to give us, the first fraction gives us what? 25 over 6 minus 11 over 3 divided by 11 over. Is that correct? So what do I do first? I'm sorry, what do I do next? Change division into multiplication, common times. So it's going to be 25 over 6 minus 11 over 3 times 5 over 11. Now what? Simplify. 11 going to 11 once, 11 going to 11 once. So it's going to be 25 over 6 minus 5 over. So what do I do now? LCM, LCD, which is 6. So 6 times what is 6? 3 times what is 6? So that's going to give you 25 minus 10. What's 25 minus 10? 15 over 6. But say, hang on. What number goes into 15 into 6 without remainder? 3. 3 going to 6 twice. 3 going to 5 times. The answer is 5 over 5 over 2. Yes, Michael? 5 hours. Say again? Yes, you will, if you left your answers 15 over 6, you will lose 1 more. Okay. Now back to the learners who what they did was, you got 25 over 6 minus 5 over 3. You see, if you had gone still with that method, then you would see how big that sum would have been now. Can you see? Then it would have been 75 minus 30 over 18. You see how much bigger is that sum in comparison there? Okay? Later on, when the denominator is going to get even bigger, these sums in this case will get even bigger. Okay? And with 3 terms, you won't be able to do that anyway. Okay? Otherwise, you do it in parts, and then you should be able to do it. But again, the sum will get so big. Okay? The chance of you making a mistake is larger. Rule number 27. What needs to be done first? The division. No multiplication, sorry. Anything that can cancel here? 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 6, 3 times. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3 minus a third. Do I need to find the LCM here? It's already sorted. So 2 minus 1 is 1 over 3. Anybody got the sum wrong? Okay. And then the last one, number 29. What needs to be done first here? Change to improper. So that's going to give us 6 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 1 minus 2 over 5. Now what must be done first? The multiplication. Can you see that? So it's going to be 6 times 3 is 18 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Do I need to find the LCM here? No. So 18 minus 2 is 16 over. You guys understand?